There's one final thing you can do when you're customizing WordPress. We've already gone through themes and how to add themes or modify your theme, how to add plugins. The last thing you might want to do, and this is an advanced topic that we're not going to go into in depth, but you can modify your themes and your plugins, and you do that like this. So for example, if you wanted to modify a plugin, you could go to the editor, pick one of your plugins and change the code in here if you're adept at that. You could also do it with the all-in-one SEO pack, which are the only two plugins I've got installed right now. You could go inside here, change the code, update the file, be done with it. But you better be sure that you know what you're doing with PHP code. The same goes for themes. You can edit a theme. And as you can see here, Genesis is chosen, but you can choose any of the themes that are already installed on your site. And you could choose, say for example, the footer. If you wanted to change the footer, you could do that by clicking on footer, finding the appropriate line of code that you want to change. It could be something as simple as, the copyright or whatnot. You would find that, change it, update it, and you're done. So that's really all there is to that. Not going to get into the advanced stuff. I would always suggest that you actually hire a developer or somebody adept in PHP to do this for you. Also note that if you ever change your themes or your plugins or update them, odds are those files, all those changes you've made in those files will be overwritten, so you'll have to do it again. So always keep good track of what you've done. And again, another caveat is when you do make changes, if there's an update to a plugin that's substantial, meaning it affects the way the plugin works to a large degree, those changes you made to the plugin in the old plugin may not work with the new plugin. So just a word of caution. Anyway, that's it for this. Talk to you next time.